Good morning, friends. So we'll be back again to Joy's class, and today we want to talk about differentiation. You've heard about differentiation is just the rate of change of one quantity in relative to other. Okay, differentiation is a vast topic, and today we want to narrow it down on differentiation according to the first principle. Now, the formula is f of x plus h minus f of x all over h when h is limiting to 0. So this is the formula. So which means you have to get f of x, you have to get f of x plus h, then probably f of x plus h minus f of x. Alright, I'm going to solve this in two phases. One will be maybe the long way of doing it. Then the other one, I will try and see if I will get a shorter mean. So it depends on you, anyone you understand, and anyone that works for you. Do you get? So let's take, for example, where we have when we are solving 4x. So we have to get the derivative of 4x using the first principle. So our f of x is equal to 4x. So the next thing you do is f of x plus h, f of x plus h, which will be 4 into, anyway you see this x, you substitute it with x plus h. So the next one is getting f of x plus h minus f of x. So our f of x plus h is already this. Our f of x is already this. So we get it as 4 bracket x plus h minus 4x. Then we now do f of x plus h minus f of x all over h when it's limiting to 0. So this is already this, so we'll take it as 4, opening up this bracket. This is 4 into x plus h. When we open this bracket, this will be 4x plus 4h minus 4x all over h. So 4x and 4x, collecting the like terms, these will cancel each other because plus 4x minus 4x is 0. So we now have 4h all over h. Cancelling this, our answer is 4. Simple, right? Okay, let's use the second method I told you about. In case you don't have strength to go through all this process, it's still the same thing though. When you have f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So when we have an f of x as 4x, remember, so we will just substitute it here, making it 4 bracket x plus h minus 4x all over h. You get, instead of taking the step one by one, we are trying to shorten it and get our work done. So opening up this bracket, you have 4x plus 4h minus 4x all over h. Plus 4x minus 4x will give you 0. Then this is 4h minus h giving you 4. So either you use the first one or the second one, is still the same thing. Okay, let's take another example.